COVID hit in 2020. All of a sudden, all of the graduations planned in Illinois were canceled. Ed Clark Photography called me up and said, hey, let's make some virtual graduations. I told him what to collect from the various principals. The principal recorded a speech and sent it to us. Ed Clark already had all the photographs, thousands of photographs. I used After Effects templates from Envato and customized them for each school, put in their logos, their colors, changed the animations. There are thousands and thousands of pictures and layers. We probably made about 20 of these videos for all different high schools and middle schools all across Illinois. Then they showed up for this awesome night at the drive-in, and the people went crazy for it. We had this idea to use the drive-in before anyone even in the national news did. There was an article in the Chicago Tribune about us, and then everyone around the country started doing it, including Biden when he did his election rallies. I did all of this in just a couple of months.